So I thought I would show you, I created my everything page this week, which is something I've been thinking about doing I was thinking that I needed to do something because in my, obviously in FEA Create, we can't just have a menu at the top with a drop-down menu without having this link to something. And I didn't have like a services page or a specific like court page for all of my courses. I don't have that yet. So I thought, well, I'm just going to create an everything page, which has literally got everything in it. This is a Lizzie Goddard thing. She's got the $9 course on like talking about everything pages and the benefits of them, and see quite a lot of it in her world, and a lot of people who've got them, and she's got some really good examples of them in the course. So all I did was create a new page with just this banner at the top, just saying that I've got everything in here. And essentially what you're doing is showing people everything that they can get from your business, whether it's free, paid, right through to sort of online courses, one-to-one offers, and the freebies there as well. So I'm just going to show you quickly how I built that in FEA Create. So obviously I created a new page. I cloned one of my, I think I cloned one of my other, maybe my about page or my blog page or something. And then, so I've just got this section at the top here, which is just a text box and an image, obviously. And then what I did was actually use the frequently asked questions box. And I just wanted to give you a couple of tips on how to do it and just make the process a little bit easier. So what I would definitely say is make sure that you write it down on paper, what you need to put on there first and foremost, so that you can do the rearranging and do the juggling while you've still got it down on paper. And the reason I would say that is if I show you what's going on in the back end of this, is unfortunately there's not a way to rename the list items here. There's a few things with this which would make it so much easier from a UX user experience point of view, like being able to rename these list items here, because it's such a pain. If you're then sort of, I'm thinking, oh, I need to click on this one, so I can change the title from within this, but I can't then change anything else in it. So until I scroll down, and then it shows me what the one is. This one is here. So then you go through and you can open it up. Let's have a little look. I can't even remember how I was doing it now. So go to, there we go. What do we have to do to change the stuff within it? Do I have to open it up? This was how, oh, there we go. It's opened it. Yeah, so then you click on it, then it opens it, and then it will allow you then to change what's in here. So within that, if you want to then change the image, you can add the image here. So what I would suggest doing, if you want to set up one of these, is go in, add a new element, and it was the frequently asked questions element, which I added. So let's add that. So let's find another one. Where is that? Frequently asked questions. Add that in. Delete these two and get all of the styling that you like on this first one. So make sure you work out, okay, how do I want it to look? You can have it get separated. Actually, if I add another one, just so you can see the difference. So clone that one. So you can have it as separate boxes, container, or just a simple one. I can't remember I think I've got mine separated. So then go in, set all your fonts and everything up, set your colors, go into advanced and set up where you want the icon, this icon to open and close, where you want that positioned, where you want I can't remember if you can select where you want the image positioned. I don't think you can. Your color options for the title text when it's open, the title text for the background when it's open. So you can change that and make that look like a tab if you wanted to, and then change the title within that. The separation line color, so that's the box around it essentially. The color, the content text, so that's this one. The background content, so you can have a box like that and have let's have a look. Let's do red, make it look here really hideous, and pink on that. So if you wanted to go for something really crazy, you can do that. Let's have a look, where is the content text color? Let's make that white. There we go. You can change the let's have a look, the link text. If you have links in there, you can basically play around with all of this and select different things. But I would say get that sorted out. You pad into your margins, all of those sort of things, get that all sorted out first, and then clone it and make the next item that you need. So just click on the little clone button there. And that's just a really quick and easy way to do this. And then obviously you could work out whether you want to have maybe things grouped together in separate boxes here. You could do that quite easily. But yeah, it's just a really quick and easy way to make an everything page. So you've got a link, you can send that to, you can send anybody who wants to know about your services or your courses and everything. And then you can have that linking to that top page here. So if I come back over to that top page now on all of these, so on my work with me, my courses, those two top menu items will then bring people into this page, which just seems to make a bit more sense. And then I've got a link to the everything page here as well. So these are all linking to that, back to that same everything page, but it's just different ways of making it a little bit easier for people to find stuff. So I hope that's helpful. Have a lovely weekend. I'll see you soon.